Already know I'm really alone. Don't be shy. Come be the man I need. You got something that I want it.
Ibang klase pala kapag ang kasama natin sa kotse ay marunong talaga kumanta. Nag-concert ka pa! Bigyan ng microphone niya! Minsan naamoy ko yung tinga ng muling performer. Yung pinakamaduming mic na may mga pagkain na dun sa invite.
Oo. Pucha, may sarili ng country yung germs dun eh, no? Di ba?
So, napakilala na namin kung sino kami.
Highway hanggang Skyway, walang preno ang saya. Kwento at kulitan, sumama ka na. Mga viral na bida dito nagtatawanan. Hosted by James Karaan and Nonong Balina. Dito lang sa Fast Lane with VinFast.
Tawa ka ng tawa dyan.
Bakit?
Naman, kailangan nagtatrabaho tayo.
Dito na naman tayo. Kinuha natin to sa sakyan na to.
VinFast na naman tayo. VF7, ang paborito nating VF7 na may exclusive design, power in every move.
Alam mo ba, hindi lang BF7 to. Meron tong sinasabing BF7 Plus.
Ay, kaya pala siya ay exclusive design, power in every move plus.
Dinagdagan mo lang, gagay ka eh.
Oo.
Dito nakakaahon lang
Ano bang
namin.
kinaibahan itong VF7 at ordinary BF7 sa BF7 Plus?
Ito ay all-wheel drive. Alam mo ba yun? All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive. Hindi four-wheel drive?
Hindi four-wheel drive. Pag four-wheel drive yung mga hindi all-wheel drive yun.
Kaya tayo, kukuhanan na naman tayo ng yung mag-explain dito katulad nung nakaraang episode.
Oo.
Pero alam mo, ikot ka muna.
Sige, ikot
Kasi
muna tayo.
kailangan natin medyo namnamin muna yung kagandahan ng VF7 Plus.
Alam mo, di ba yung problema ang problema natin pag kunyari mainit. Tapos nabilad yung sasakyan mo, ang init ng upuan.
Oo.
Ito, pwede mong, merong feature na pwede mong airconan yung upuan. Ito,
Airconan yung upuan?
Ito, tignan mo. Ayan o.
Oh.
Ayan o. Yan o. O, nararamdaman mo na?
Ay, hala.
Wala pa sa'yo. Wala pa sa'yo. Ayan pa lang.
Scripted eh.
Ayan pa lang.
Talaga? May ganun?
Ayan o.
Ito ba, sa Plus lang yan?
Sa plus lang. O, sa plus
Ay,
lang.
grabe naman palang napakasulit naman itong
Mm.
VF7 Plus. Kaya hindi ka na mahihinayang sa iyong leather seat.
Oo, di ba? Yun yung problema mo kung kunyari, yung nagmamadali ka tapos papasok ka, alis kailangan palami mo pa yung sasakyan.
May bisita tayo ngayon. Hello!
Hello.
Kasama natin ngayon si Mix Phoenix.
Okay.
Yan. Mix Phoenix.
Yes.
Tama ba ang pronunciation?
Yes.
Ayaw mong Phoenix?
Pwede din.
Joke baka siya, Team Visayas.
Ano ba? Huwag mo ipakita kung sino ka.
Okay. Dapat pala, hindi.
Oo, dahan-dahanin natin. Baka mabigla si Mix.
Tanong ko lang sa kanya, dahil alam mo bang may group ngayon, mix ng, Tagalog versus Bisaya?
Rambulan Online.
Bisaya ka ba?
Hindi.
Hindi pala.
Ikaw ba?
My grandparents are Bisaya.
Oh, saan sa
Yung
Visayas?
lolo ko from Leyte and then my lola is from Bohol.
Marunong ka?
Gamay lang.
Oo, gamay lang. Alam mo yung
Kasabot
gamay?
kong gamay lang.
Ambot.
Ito, gamay.
Ano ka ba? Pinakilala natin kanina sa sarili natin. Stand-up comedian. Yun lang yung mga jokes mo.
Uy, gamay lang. Ito, gamay.
Mix Phoenix. Ito ba yung screen name or buong pangalan?
It's actually my real name. Mix is a nickname. So,
Oh.
it's short for Micaela.
Micaela
Yeah.
Phoenix.
Growing up, I was Mika, but then my mom was calling me Mix since I was 7. So, and then when I hit college, I was like, oh, Mix sounds nice. So, I stuck with Mix. Parang new beginnings, ganon.
Oo.
Yeah. So, Mix Phoenix. Pero Phoenix is my real name.
Pero yung spelling nga, ikaw na lang ang nag-alingan. Ikaw na lang ang kasi MIX eh.
Oh, well, my mom was spelling it MIX.
Oh,
She thought it was
okay.
cool already. So, yeah.
So,
Mother knows best.
parang si mom mo is cool type.
Yeah.
feeling ko.
My mom is much cooler than me, I would say.
Bakit?
Mommy. She's just cooler. Like everywhere I go, if I work with somebody, they kind of are like, "Oh, are you related to Danny Phoenix, I'd be like, yeah, she's my mom.
Ano ba ang
Yeah.
Ginagawa ng-
nature ng job?
My mom, well, she was just very sociable growing up, I guess. Well, she had me very young also. So my last name is actually my mom's maiden name.
Okay.
Yeah. So I got my lolo's name technically.
Si Danny Phoenix.
Yeah.
Ah.
Emily.
Anong work niya?
Secret.
Si
Secret agent.
Contractor, charot. Hindi.
DPWH.
Contractor daw!
Hindi.
Friend na natin to!
Oh, hello, ano ka ba naman? Bilhin niya kaya natin itong BF7.
Parang pwede mong gawing keychain lang to eh.
Oo, tingnan niyo kung gaano kaluwag ang BF7. Pwede kang mag-Indian seat dyan. Ano?
Pwede ba?
Oo, pwede.
Oo.
Go lang kahit anong gusto mong
Mag-seatbelt
gawin.
ba ako dapat?
Ha?
Mag-seatbelt ba ako?
Oo naman.
Hmm?
Pwede naman kahit naman na.
May ilang episodes na tayo walang seatbelt yung best eh.
Oo nga.
Oo.
Hello,
Pero
MLT.
pwede. It's up to you.
Yung ano ba, yung name mo na yan, minsan ba tumatak mo sa utak mo na? Parang ang ganda kasi ng name mo eh. Parang destined to be a star.
I think so. I don't think I'll ever get married. Just because of that. I don't want
Because
to
of
lose
the
my
name?
last name.
Oh.
Very sorry.
Pero-
Joke lang, I'm open to it.
Pero pwede naman yun, di ba? Hindi palitan yung pangalan ng babae.
Pwede naman.
Pwede.
Pero obviously, the guy would want me to change my last name.
Pero ako yung
So-
wife ko, na-retain na yung ano eh.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, interesting.
Kasi I'm progressive like that.
Wow.
Napag-
Wow.
ba't
Get you
nagdadrive
a man
ako?
like him.
Oo. Bakit ikaw ba? Gusto mong
Ano ba last name mo?
bali?
Balinan. And then nasa kanya naman. Pero mas maganda rin syempre parang ano yun sa babae, parang ano, sige na, uy, ano mo naman yung apelido ko? Parang
Yeah.
nagpapasakop siya, parang ganun, di ba?
May ganun din
ganun
naman.
din. Yeah.
Siyempre,
Depende sa lalaki.
ego din naman siyempre ng lalaki.
Yeah, it's a bit of an ego. So.
Pero sa akin, nung una, struggle siya na tanggapin. Na hindi tanggapin, hindi kunin yung
No! Ganun. Ganun yung struggle niya.
hindi kita tatawagin sa pangalan mo. Yung ano lang, yung parang may kirot lang. Bakit hindi niya, meron bang mali sa apelido ko?
Oo.
Kasi apelido ko Karaan eh.
Oo.
Bantot din naman talaga. Pero eventually, it will not matter naman in the long run eh. As long as masaya kayo,
Yeah.
yung content ng marriage ang mas importante kaysa dun sa
Agree. Wow.
kasi yung apelido is for the ano lang, IDs.
Totoo.
Para lang mas madali for ano.
Yeah.
Tsaka yung hassle sa kanya na magpapalit siya ng lahat, di ba?
Yun din.
Oo.
Nung
Lahat ng documents, government
Oh.
documents, bank documents have to be changed.
ang hirap lang pag sa immigration
Yun din.
kasi ano ka eh, tatanong. May one time nga, papunta kaming Japan. Hindi kami ano yun?
That's our car, right?
Oh, GSM.
That's it.
GSM.
Oo.
VF5 naman yun.
I do have a question.
Oh.
Bakit siya green kung blue kung kulay?
Green kaya siya?
Green ba yun? Colorblind ba ako?
Oo nga, green siya.
Green
Ba
siya.
yun?
Oo.
Blue-green.
Ano siya? Ano yun? Mint green, ganun.
Oh, parang gano'n.
Nag-iiba yung kulay niya, depende kung ano yung nabangga. Joke lang. Pwede magkamo.
Tinakbuhan niya, no?
Pwede. Oh, green muna.
Oh.
De, ano siya, medyo may pagkatil pa nga eh.
Binangga po ako
Yeah.
ng green. Blue naman.
Blue.
Blue ako, sir.
Oo. May pagkatil siya ng konti. Diba?
Pero mas maganda nga daw siya kaysa dun sa ibang brand na app na ano tawag dyan? Hailing, car hailing app.
Feeling, yeah.
Yan. So kasi, tipid, mas mura, and mabango yung mga drivers.
No.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi bago-bago, tingnan mo, di ba?
It's nice. It's a really nice car.
Ibang klase yung amoy ng yung bagong sasakyan, no?
Mm.
Kasi minsan hindi mo na ito ma-achieve pagka medyo tumagal na yung sasakyan mo.
Yeah.
Hindi na rin siya, yung di ba may mga car freshener na
New
parang
car
new
scent.
car. Pero yung iba pa rin talaga yung amoy ng...
This is different. Yeah.
Mm.
This feels fresher.
Anong dream car mo?
Ako?
Pero doon na tayo sa beat.
Kung Oo nga, no? yung question mo, sasabit tayo.
Buti na lang.
Oo nga. Nasalo mo,
quick
ha?
thinking.
I mean,
Oo.
I'm pretty new to the VinFast cars. I just saw it up close kanina sa showroom. Pero I would like wait, is this gonna be my Will you guys give me a car?
Kami muna siguro. Kasi nakaka-12 episodes na kami. Wala pa rin kaming car.
Just in case lang naman, di ba?
Oo.
Mr. Bean. Si
Mr. Bean pa. Kaway ka na lang tayo, Mr. Bean
Just
Fast
in case
Hello.
lang.
from
Mr. Bean.
Vietnam. Hello po, Mr.
Hello.
Bean Fast.
The VF3 was really cute. Yung two-seater. Yung 3, diba?
Oo.
Yeah, it was really cute. And then you can open the back pa and close it. So there's
Oh.
additional seats. It's so cute. I think I would get it in yellow if
So,
I had the money.
Yun yung personality mo. Kumbaga, mas mag-fit siya doon sa VF3.
I would say, but it's also very compact. So like, especially when I'm moving around for gigs, it's much easier rehearsals, gigs, and like I think electric vehicles really is the future. I mean, hybrid. I'm open to hybrid also, but electric cars are more ideal, I guess, for this day and age. Lalo na sa traffic dito sa
Oo.
Metro Manila.
More on Metro Manila ka lang ba nag-gigs?
Yeah, but I'm open to other places like Laguna. I've
Oo.
performed in UP Los Baños like a couple
Oo.
times, and then I'm open din to. I have a show I think closer to Antipolo towards the end of the week, end of the month. Yeah.
Pagka ganun ba na may mga gig kayo, ano yung mga mostly na dala mo na hindi mo dapat makalimutan?
Everything. Have to bring everything. Well,
Like,
the small things
bed?
also. No. That would be nice. No, but cables. I keep
Cables.
forgetting my cables, and like I always end up having to borrow from somebody. Pedals also for like effects and all of that. Yeah. Well, of course, the instruments.
Ano instrument mo?
I play the guitar.
Ah.
For me personally, my must-have is my microphone because I don't want to be sharing with other people, diba?
Talaga? Kasi
Yeah.
minsan may di ba?
Yung
Kumusta ka?
from stand-up, I'm sure you guys know the feeling.
May beat ka pa naman na ginagano mo, di ba?
Minsan naamoy ko yung tinga ng muling performer.
Ay, nako, may band meal.
Oo, alam mo,
bandmail.
alam mo, tumigil ako sa ganon. Tumigil ako sa paglapit-lapit or
Oo.
singot-singot ng mic. Nung may nakita ako sa Facebook na yung pinakamaduming mic na may
Oo.
mga pagkain na dun sa
Oo. Kutsa may sarili ng country yung germs dun no? Di ba?
parang yung itsura tuloy ng pagkain, yung parang magots na
Yuck! Oh my God.
yun, so napakilala na namin kung sino
Oh,
kami.
Ang lapit pa lang natin, no?
Oo,
Ilang
kadiri.
minutes pa lang, 15
Pasensya ka na,
minutes.
Mix, ha? Ano mga turn-offs mo?
Oo.
Yun!
Mga kadiri.
Oo.
Yeah, but bakit may pagkain sa loob ng microphone?
Di, sobrang
Anong
luma
tawag dyan?
Sobrang luma na ata ng microphone na yun. Tapos pag ginagamit nila, as in parang nasa
Oh
loob
my
na mismo eh.
God.
Anong mic ang prefer mo?
Well,
Kasi di ba meron di ba yung vintage na
oh yeah.
no?
Well, no, I would just rather use like a regular, the ones that you normally see.
Oo.
Yeah, like the SM57 Shure.
Sure.
Yeah, but I'm actually currently using an RJ microphone, which is actually still a really good quality. RJS and like RJ Bistro, RJ the brand. And then, but my dream microphone is actually from Yamaha because it's white and it's pretty. I've tried it before and it's
Magkano
really
yung
nice. I think it's about like 15.
15,000? Sige. Bigyan ng microphone niya!
Ay, pumasok ng mga babae.
sa kotse. Yung mga taong grasa. Pero,
Ayos
paano ka
yung
natuto
mga-
ng
Gitara.
gitara?
Oh, it was required for school before. And then I got into it lang siguro.
College or high school?
High school.
Okay.
Yeah. But before that, as a kid, my lola would take me to Bohol every year for fiesta.
Oo.
And she would make me sing yung, the typical na, sing for us. Dun sa fiesta or family gatherings.
Ang
So, sanayan na ako sa singing in front of crowds.
Ah.
Pero I only took it seriously mga college na. Yeah.
Natatanda mo pa kung ano yung mga pinapakanta sa'yo ng lola mo na?
Mulan, Reflection. Adele.
Mulan.
Yeah.
Mulan. Ano ba yan? Stand-up comedian sa'yo? Kailangan mas maganda pa yung jokes.
Oo nga, busina nga ako.
Sinagasaan mo yung nasa harap natin. No? Pero yung, kasi at an early age, nagpe-perform ka na sa maraming tao.
Yeah.
Eh di, hindi ka pa aware sa kaba noon? O kinakabahan ka na nung bata ka? And maaga mo lang siyang,
I think mas
putang ina mo!
Hindi, magpapakita na.
Sorry, mix.
Ano lang
Nadala
yun?
ako ng
Oo.
emotions.
mas siguro. Parang na
Mixed emotions.
mixed feelings. I think it's more of na sobrang sanay na parang like, I have to do it again. Parang ganon. So, I think it became a different emotion. Pero when I started singing my own songs in front of people, parang mas proud ako. And like, I think nawalan nga ng kaba.
Anong kanta ang pinaka-proud ka? And paano yung journey mo nung pagsulat na yun?
Can I share? I'll be launching a song this November.
Anong
Sige.
Yeah.
Sige.
So it's not out yet as of now.
Okay.
But I think when this episode comes out, it'll be out already. I wrote a song called Take Me Home. And it's a song about society and how, because you know how in the Philippines we're a primarily Catholic or Christian country, and Jesus is, well, I don't want to really make it like all about religion, but
Okay.
it's really ironic na the religion in general is meant to be a good example, to be kinder, to be more compassionate. But a lot of people here in the Philippines use it as a tool to create fear na, you're gonna go to hell if you're like this, ganon.
Don't
if you're a
get me
sinner.
started
ganon.
with that.
Yeah. So that's a song about that na mas reminder siya na, friendly reminder na we need to kind of go back to our roots and be kinder people regardless if you're a religious person or not in general.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, bakit Take Me Home?
Take me home because take me. Take me home because the home there, that home. Yes.
Yung bubong.
Gets.
Take me, parang, kung heaven yung home, take me home, parang, is it some kind of, gusto mo nang pumunta sa langit? Parang ganun ba?
Hindi naman. I think it's well, this is a little deeper, but take me home kasi is going back to your roots also and kind of sitting back and
Okay.
remembering where you came from then kasi that way.
Anong
Actually, no?
naging driving inspiration mo doon? Nagkaroon ka ba ng nabully ka ba? Or online? Ng mga religious person?
Hindi naman. I guess it was just society in general. Na
Observations mo na?
observations, tsaka, well, first-hand experiences also na, don't do this, don't do that kasi God will not like it. Parang ganun. Now, why? Why is that affecting anybody else? Like, other things, like, because I went to UP and a lot of people were open about their sexuality. And they would share stories about, like, the discrimination they get for just being gay, ganun, and people telling them to go to hell for no reason. Like, for what? And it takes us away from the real message na we should be better people. Just in general, diba?
Ano ka ba? Religious person ka ba?
I wouldn't consider myself too religious. But I pray. I'm still,
Pero
So,
pwede mo siyang
I still
maklasify
identify.
as agnostic.
no, I would still say I'm Catholic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
But I'm not
nagsisimba
like,
ka pa rin.
yeah, I do. Every Sunday. It's my grandparents.
Kasi ako hindi na eh.
Good girl. Oh,
Kasi ako Catholic ako, pero yun nga, every time na mapag-usapan din namin yung religion sa podcast, ikaw ba nagsisimba ka pa?
Hindi.
Ulo, pupunta kang hell.
hello.
Ikaw lang nagsabi na hindi ka nagsisimba. Hindi. Di ba sa naman natin, meron kaming nag-guest kami sa isang Catholic podcast, di ba?
Oo. Kay Catholic comedian, Mr. Romar Chuka. Shout out
May
siya.
ganon.
meron.
So may,
Catholic
pero yun yung theme niya.
Oo, ang
Yung
comedy
specialty,
niya,
ganon.
sa TikTok siya. Then, minamash up niya yung mga
Mga kanta.
Catholic songs
Ah.
into, kunyari, River Maya.
Oo.
Interesting. Galing.
So,
Okay.
So, ganun siya
Yeah.
nag-start. And then, nagkaroon siya ng podcast with TV Maria and
TV Maria.
and Caritas. Basta parang ganun.
So,
okay.
nagpo-promote kami nung podcast na yun dito.
Veritas ba? Radyo Veritas
Veritas,
pala.
oo.
Sorry.
Kasi doon, medyo mas ibang side naman yung nakita ng mga listeners doon o kaya mga viewers doon. Kasi, mostly doon sa podcast namin sa The Cool Pals, as in, sobrang lala ng pagkagago namin. So, dahil nandun na kami, mas nakita yung ibang side namin na kahit na gago kami, meron pa rin kaming kinikilalang Diyos. Parang ganun.
That's true. A lot of people kind of associate like stuff like this or entertainment in general to people who don't care about their religion, I think, or are atheists and stuff like that.
And usually, nagja-judge yung mga religious persons
Yeah, yun din eh.
sa kung paano ka lang magsalita.
Mhm.
Pero hindi sila nagdi-dig deep. Kunyari, ako, nagmumura ako. Ang perception kagad sa akin is masama akong tao.
Mhm.
Without
Mhm.
researching or digging deep dun sa personality ko na,
Mhm.
ganito pala siya, may may mga ginagawa pala siyang ganitong klaseng bagay na kabutihan. So, with a one-sided judgment ka lang nila,
Mhm.
based lang dun sa kung paano ka nila nakikita. Which is
Mm.
totally opposite dun sa tinuturo nung
Mhm.
ni God, ni Jesus.
Agree. Yeah.
Tsaka parang parang yung hindi natin ugali yung magsabi ng good deeds dun sa mga tao. Alam mo yung hindi masyado mo
Naglimos ako, nagbigay ako ng limos sa ganito. Hindi mo naman sinasabi yan.
Parang ikinikip mo na lang sa sarili mo kung ano yung mga good deeds na pwede mo pang gawin.
Anong line sa Take Me Home ang masasabi mong pinaka-mas tatatak sa tao? If ever marinig nila yun, ito yung essence ng kantang yun.
I think, well, yung second verse kasi is more... Can I sing it? I can
Yes.
sing it.
Oh, pwede.
So
Sige.
the second verse actually goes...
Ibigyan ka ng beat ni Lolo. Hindi, joke.
It
Baka makasira.
goes, if you could see what I see, it would be like stepping into the sea. Am I the reckless, the black sheep of my kin? What would you see if you were me? Because Jesus was a poor man. He was the son of a carpenter. He was a shepherd. He was born from a virgin mother who obviously got criticized over that because she wasn't even married when she got pregnant. Diba? And then he was in the slums. He was a minority. And if you could see from his perspective how he can still give love even though he essentially had nothing. Diba? I think that's something we need to step back and think about. Na you don't have to be dressed in like your best clothes on Sunday all the time. You don't have to wear all these jewelry and everything. It's about being more down to earth, I think, and more humble, and actually share with other people what you have. And I think that's what we're doing, because you guys are sharing your comedy, you're sharing smiles with people. And then me, I'm sharing my music because I feel like this is a good tool to share a message. Yeah.
Stopover muna, makipagtawanan at kulitan. Biyaheng highway hanggang skyway ang saya. Kasama sina James Karaan at Nonong Balinan. Dito lang sa Fast Lane with VinFast.
May mga nakukuha ka bang feedback from fans na nagme-message online na PM na your music helped me during my trying times?
I did. I have actually. It's really nice.
No.
It's made me like really, I don't know, because my career has been on and off. Na, of course, I doubt myself din. Like, kaya ko ba to? Or like, is this really for me? Ganun. And I've actually thought about not pursuing it a few times. But then last year was when I was like, okay, sige nga, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the
All in.
be all in. Yeah. So I released a song called 2 Feet In, saying that, because the saying is 1 foot in, 1 foot out the door. So it's like, okay, this is my statement. Na I'm all in. I'm gonna try to make this work. And it's working out naman. I'm not like earning like billions. I wish. I'm not earning millions or billions, but it's working out naman so far. And like the release kasi, this song that I'll be releasing, is actually out of pocket entirely from like projects I've done. So I've really been investing into this and trying to make it work. So yeah, if it doesn't work out, I guess like that's okay.
At least
There are
you've
other
tried.
things. Yeah, at
Oo.
least I was 2 feet in and I like made the effort to
Parang
make it work.
sa pagiging artist,
Hmm.
yun yung isa sa mga gusto kong ginagawa ng mga artist, yung nag-i-invest ka sa sarili mo out of pocket. Di ba parang kahit tayo nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo, wala kang kinikita, pamasahe mo, tsaka effort mo pupunta ka doon. Pero ginagawa mo siya kasi gusto mo lang siya di ba?
Mhm.
Oo.
Mhm.
Tsaka hindi rin naman talaga Latin, katulad ng sinabi ni Mix na I'm not earning millions.
Oo.
Pero mostly, hindi naman yun yung goal natin eh.
Oo, totoo.
Agree.
Gusto lang natin ng sustainability eh.
Yes.
Ah,
At least. Just
magawa
the
lang
right
natin.
amount.
Oo.
Yeah, to make it work na.
Para
Tama.
gumulong lang, parang gano'n.
Oo, na wala lang tayong, hindi lang natin kailangan umutang, makakakain tayo araw-araw, nagagawa natin kung ano yung gusto natin comfortably,
Mhm.
na ginagawa rin natin kung ano yung
Mhm.
mahal natin, which is
Oo.
yung art natin.
Yes.
Diba? Nagkaroon ka ba ng day job or
I did for a while.
anong
Mm.
naging day job?
Oh well, it was just a day job. I was helping my lolo with something, but it was like I wasn't earning too much from it also, so it was just enough then.
It's like
And then-
family business.
Yeah, which didn't work out then. So yeah, I pursued na lang music muna, so that all my effort is into it then, because it was exhausting then having to balance everything. Because content din I'm still doing content on the side.
Within the family ba, meron bang nagkaroon ng,
Musical, ganun.
hindi,
Or-
naging against doon sa...
No, everybody's been so supportive.
Ah,
I think
talaga?
that's very helpful na your family sees or acknowledges that you're good at something and that you can, believes in you, and I think that's really important. So I'm really thankful to my family.
Ang ganda
or
kasi may
trusting
support
me.
ka.
Oo,
Yes.
swerte, di ba?
Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao makakakuha ng ganyan.
I know,
Mhm.
I'm very blessed.
Oo.
Very blessed to have that family.
Yung ibang tao nagiging rebelde pa para ipakita sa pamilya nila na
Yeah.
i-pursue yung passion nila, di ba?
May
Yung iba-
resentment involved eh.
Kaya nga eh. There's like a dark feeling in the chest, I guess, when that happens. Pero I'm very lucky that my family's very supportive of me.
Anong curious pala ako,
Yeah.
ano yung message sa'yo nung na nag-inspire sa'yo to go all in? Ano yung tungkol sa yung message sa'yo na fan mo?
Oh, from the fans?
Oo.
Well, just them saying that, I've been listening to your music and watching your videos also, and it makes me happy, and like I've seen all of the videos. I would be like, wow, grabe ang dami nun. So, just knowing that somebody out there is like happy watching my content or listening to my music makes me,
Saan yung
keeps
cellphone
me
mo?
going, siguro.
Ito,
Ito pala.
Ano ba?
May si-share kasi ako.
Ah.
May nag-message sa amin din sa Cool Pals. Natutuwa din siya doon sa parang another fuel na naman to para sa amin to pursue din. Kasi minsan nga pag may mga ganyan lang klaseng struggles, lalo na pag nag-uumpisa ka sa career mo, meron kang kailangan paghugutan para mag-continue ka eh.
Yes.
So may nag-message sa amin. Ang message niya is wag niyo nang ituloy yan.
ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Masusunod po.
Ano? Seryoso?
Hindi.
Ano ba?
ang subject niya is appreciation to 5 guys who saved me,
Aw.
the Cool Pals. So, basahin ko na lang dito kasi hindi natin nabasa sa recording kahapon. So sabi niya, "Hello Cool Pals, I am an avid listener since the beginning of time." Charot. Gusto ko lang naman magpasalamat for existing. Yung podcast nyo ang nagligtas sa akin. Meron akong psychiatrist but he can only prescribe medicines to alleviate na gulo ng utak. Well, a little backstory. diagnosed ako with this year lang na adjustment disorder mixed with anxiety and depression. Also, na-diagnose din ang anak ko ng global developmental delay. Same sa eldest ko na may autism. Galing, di ba? Neurotypical family. Nanay depressed, 2 anak nasa spectrum. Charot. Dagdag mo
May
pa
charot
dyan.
talaga?
Oo,
O ikaw
charot
talaga yun?
talaga.
Okay.
Charot talaga. Alam mo,
Malay ko ba?
dagdag mo pa dyan yung 6 digits therapy each kid kada year. Ang saya-saya.
Wow.
Gusto ko lang talaga magpasalamat doon sa mga episode yung makabuluhan. Almost lahat favorite ko. Sobrang na-appreciate ko din. Kayo kasi nung Rock and Lol, umuupo kayo sa audience. Na kaya hulubilo talaga kayo. Natawa pa ako noon kay Boss Muman kasi katabi namin siya. Tapos sabi niya, tingnan mo, manunurayan si Mark Abaya. Na-starstruck ako noon and di na nakapagpa-picture. Huwag muna kayo mamatay, marami pa sa amin ang hindi afford magpa-check up at tanging jokes at mga tirada nyo yung nagiging scapegoat namin. Scapegoat? Scapegoat yun, tanga. De, joke lang. Ano yun, nakatakas na kambing? Nakakalimutan ko minsan mag-take ng gamot kasi okay na ako sa mga episodes. Tiray kong di makakinig sa inyo ng 1 week, di ko kinaya. Naglaro utak ko at naisipan ko pa namang mag-blank. Pero di ko ginawa, syempre. Aware pa naman ako at naghahanap pa din talaga ako ng solusyon kapag di na umaandar ang utak ko. Let's say na magulo siya ng 70% tapos remaining 30% na try ko mag-isip para makawala. So far naman, di ko siya ginagawa. I usually listen to your episodes and YouTube videos. Pinapanood ko din sila Red and Andren, Pencil Box, etc. Kung nanonood ka naman ito, maraming salamat din sa iyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana makapanood kami ng partner ko sa Seller para ma-meet kayo in person. And thank you to all of you. I owe my life to you dahil din sa inyo, di na masyado nakikita ng mga anak ko yung depressive side ko. Thank you, God bless. Huwag niyong reveal yung name ko kasi kung isasama niyo sa episode. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Wow.
Mayroon lang akong something na, eto hindi ko naman inaano yung mga religion, ano. Pero sa discuss natin ngayon, may something na bakit yung mga religion minsan nagiging ugat pa siya ng pagkakawatak. Pero yung art, siya yung nagiging tool para magkaroon ng pagsasama-sama. Kita mo, kunyari, kung pares tayo ng music, kahit magkaiba yung religion natin, nagja-jive tayong dalawa. Pero pag pinag-usapan na yung religion, nagkakaroon ng division. Kunyari, parehas tayong fan ng comedy. Dahil parehas yung interest natin, nagkakaroon tayo ng connection. Pero pagka diniscuss na yung religion, bakit ganun? Parang nagkaroon lang ako ng habang nagda-drive. Masama ba yung ginagawa ko?
Ikaw, anong tingin mo?
No, that's very true. That's very true. I think art should unite people. And I would consider comedy a performing art because, like, drag is also, I would consider performing art, even though that's something that we didn't study in school. Because I studied arts management, and it's an art because they elicit emotions and they make you feel a certain way. And with the art that we chose, we want to make people feel better and kind of reflect, I guess.
Totoo di ba?
Diba? Na life isn't so bad. Especially, I think comedy is very important because it reminds you na, yeah, my life is shit, but at least I can laugh about it later, diba?
Actually, yung music din, sobrang ganda ng dinudulot ng music sa mood ng tao tsaka sa pananaw niya sa buhay. Parang minsan may katulad ng mga ginagawa din ng mga musician na o kaya yung mga gumagawa ng kanta na makaka-relate ka dun sa lyrics and then parang minsan pangahawakan mo na yan. Minsan yung nagiging inspiration mo, di ba?
Yes.
Alam mo, tingin ko kung bakit ganon, mas nagdi-divide kapag religion is meron kang para sa religion, it's all about obey.
Yes.
Obey. Kapag hindi ka nag-obey, may mangyayari sa yung
Oo.
hindi mo magugustuhan.
Tulad ng sinasabi ni Mix na nagagamit yung religion para dun sa
Control ng tao.
Oo, pang-control ng tao.
Pero art is mas free,
Oo, totoo.
'di ba? So walang rules. Sa akin.
Wala.
So,
Walang discrimination.
oo, kung anong trip mo, yun ang trip mo eh. Di ba? Meron ka bang kakaibang trip mix na hindi alam ng mga followers mo or fans?
Not much.
Not much. Anong hindi katulad nung sinabi mo, parang feeling ko, alam ba ng followers mo na mahilig ka sa mga old movies?
Also, yeah, I like watching old movies and well, I also like reading manga and
Anong
playing
paborito mong
football.
manga?
Yung sweet.
Okay lang, wala namang rules.
Oh, wala namang rules, walang
Walang
rules.
rules. Siya pala yung comedy.
Anong paborito mong manga?
Iba-iba. I like
Yung
the
sweet.
Yung may Graham.
Hindi na si Queen
Hindi,
Yasmin.
ay, okay. Hindi siya si Queen Yasmin.
Manga.
manga.
Anime, nanonood ka anime?
Anime.
Yeah.
Anong anime ang paborito mo?
Demon Slayer.
Yes!
I love Demon Slayer.
Napanood mo yung
Yes.
Infinity Castle.
So I read the manga 4 times. Actually, that's how much I love Demon Slayer.
Shit.
I know a lot. I know too much about Demon Slayer.
Sinong bias mo sa mga Hashira?
Actually, like the Stone Hashira, the best.
Yung pinakamalakas.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yung
bulag.
yung bulag na umiiyak.
Oo.
Same.
Bakit?
Because he's the strongest. But
Oo.
I think once you see like the next movies, you're gonna see like how strong he is.
Oh, shit, mamamatay na ba siya? Huwag mo sabihin.
Ay, advance ang manga, di ba?
Tapos na yung manga eh.
Tapos,
Yeah.
so advance siya. So, hindi pa pinapalabas dun sa mismong,
Pero solid kasi yung
It's so
anime.
good.
Di ba?
So
Siya
good.
parang ang ganda, parang lahat yung detalye, yung
The animations and then and then
kahit mag-isa lang ako sinihan, pinanood ko yun eh. Ikaw, may kasama ka nung pinanood ko.
yes, my friends.
Nag-costume pa kayo.
I would have watched by myself, honestly. I didn't care. I would have watched all by myself. It was like what, 3 hours?
Nagko-cosplay ka.
No, I don't.
Hindi naman ganun ka.
No,
grabe
not
na
that
yun.
intense.
Ano
Masyado-
masasabi mo sa mga nagko-cosplay?
Ang lakas kasi ng discipline ng cosplay. Grabe ng makeup, and then they have to do the hair pa, and then the costumes have to be like perfect. It's
Sa
like,
Pilipinas ka pa, di ba? Parang ampawis mo.
Oo.
Diba?
Nakikita mo,
Minsan naka-all black pa sila.
nag-jeep si Goku.
Ang kapal ng makeup. Ang ibang level. Hindi ko kaya.
Alam mo, yung sa Japan, di ba nagpunta tayong Japan?
Mm.
Parang ang cute tingnan ng mga na nagko-cosplay sa kalsada.
Oo.
Meron ba sa Japan?
Meron.
Kahit walang occasion?
Oo, kahit sa
Mm.
train.
Pambahay nila, nakago ko. No?
Meron nga,
Yung wig.
Oo. Meron nagpupulot ng basura. Ano na sila nagpupulot sa ng basura, tapos nakaano sila, parang Demon Slayer outfit. Parang sila yung mga garbage slayer.
Oo.
So, pagkukuha sila meron silang mahabang tong, tapos pagkukuha sila
Ang
ng
cute!
basura,
Totoo.
gaganon muna sila.
Ang cute!
totoo.
Parang effort.
Oo.
Oo, ganap na ganap, di ba?
Oo, sa Japan cute yun, pero pag dito mo ginawan, epal ka eh.
Oo. Putang inang itsura mo, gago.
Oo. Ay na,
Init kasi dito.
pulutin mo na lang.
Nakaka-epekto pala yun sa mood ng tao, no? Kung malamig dito, wala masyadong pakialamanan. Dahil medyo maalinsangan, parang irritable ka na makakita ng mga ganun eh, no?
Hindi, pero tingin ko mga Pilipino din talaga, mga inggitero eh. Mga crab
Actually,
mentality talaga eh.
Sa bagay. Ayaw ka nilang maging masaya eh, no?
Oo, may mga ganun ka bang nare-receive na
Yung comments.
na comments?
Yeah.
Anong madalas na negative feedback na nakukuha mo?
Well, I got a lot of body shaming. A lot of, people commenting on like,
Typical
I
na
don't know.
Pinoy. No?
it's mostly like mindless stuff, like people just calling me bobo for no context. Walang context, na bobo lang. Tapos sabi ko, okay.
Mas
Thanks.
bobo siya, baka yun lang yung alam niya na pindutin sa keyboard. Kasi ang bilis lang.
Oo.
Ang bilis ka lang.
Dalawa lang kasi gumagana ng letter sa keyboard niya eh.
Bobo.
Tapos 0 pa yung ginagamit na,
Talaga, alam mo, yun yung problema sa society ngayon eh, di ba? Tingnan mo, ipinagmamalaki natin nga, connect na naman natin dun sa kanta mo na Take Me Home. Nalalabas kailan?
November 10 online.
Yan. So,
Spotify.
tingnan mo, i-connect na naman natin. No? Malaking-malaki tayo na tayo ay isang religious country, Catholic country. Tayo, the only Catholic country in Southeast Asia. Pero tayo may pinakamasama ugali. Di ba? Di ba kailangan, bakit tayo ng, pag lalong-lalo na sa Reddit, sobrang sasama ng mga tao dyan. Porket anonymous kayo.
Easy lang.
Hindi. Ngayon nga nagre-resonate, di ba? Yung mas, please be kind.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Walang mawawala sa'yo kung magiging mabait ka.
Ang saya kayo maging mabait. Actually, effort pa nga yung, kasi mas effort talaga pagka naging mabait ka eh. Totoo yun. Kasi parang hindi yun, ewan ko, parang sa mga tao, parang hirap na hirap silang gawin yun. Pero totally, yun ang pinaka ng katawan mo eh, na maging mabait ka eh. Natural.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Kasi ang hirap maging masama, talagang, yung negativity,
Yeah.
it will drag you down eh. Talagang,
Actually.
magiging masama. Ikaw, nag-essay ka sa Reddit.
Mm.
Buong araw mo sira na rin.
Actually, tapos it's bad also for the health, I think.
Oo,
Mental
totoo.
health,
Mm.
it affects your body also. It's
Mm.
just so much negativity.
Kayo nga, maging mabait nga kayo. Wala na nga tayong healthcare na maayos dito. Tapos, ang sasama pa ng ugali ninyo.
Tama, oh my gosh, tama.
Diba?
Yes.
Diba? Kung mabait kayo, hindi sa wala kayong cancer. De, joke lang. Joke lang.
Pero feeling ko talaga,
De, joke lang ah.
yun yung sigurong nila, yun yung pakiramdam nila, kaya nang hate sila. Masama talaga yung pakiramdam nila. Ibig sabihin, masama talaga silang tao, feeling ko. Kasi kung ikaw ay maayos na tao, hindi mo naman gagawin yung manira ng araw ng ng ibang tao eh. Ano na-gets mo yun? Parang kailangan mong mambash para lang gumanda yung pakiramdam mo. Masama kang ulul ka. Di ba? Parang ganun.
But I still believe that people can still change.
Oo naman.
No.
No! Pero ano yung balik tayo dun sa time na nagpa-on-off ka. Bakit ka tumitigil and ba't ka bumabalik?
I guess it's also more of that. Tumigil dahil I guess I just lost faith in myself na content was doing better, or maybe I'm better off doing like something else, maybe doing a different job, ganun. And like I'm young enough to kind of explore like the different things that I could do also, to be fair. So I was open naman to that. It wasn't like all hope is lost kind of thing. More of na, maybe I should try other things kind of thing, I guess. Pero yun din, parang as an independent artist, it's kind of hard. It feels like it's you against the world also, kind of thing. So, but what kept me going was, I think it was mostly because people were asking me to sing. And they would invite me to shows. And parang for me, it's like, okay, may value naman talaga. Kahit maliit lang, may effect pa rin. Yeah.
Tsaka kasi small wins pa rin yun.
Small wins.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Diba? Hindi naman, tsaka mas manliliit ka lang sa sarili mo kapag nagko-compare ka.
Yes.
Pero
Yeah.
pag kino-compare mo lang yung sarili mo,
Sa dating ikaw.
Yes.
mas makikita mo yung worth nung ginagawa mo.
Yes.
Dumating ka ba sa point na gano'n na kino-compare mo yung sarili mo
Yes.
sa ibang artist?
Absolutely. A lot of the times.
Meron ka bang certain artist na
Yes. But I love her because she's also, I met her in person also. She's just so amazing. Si Janine Tanyosa. She's younger than me.
Oo.
And she's so she's really out there and she's doing her thing, and it's like when I started seeing her videos, I'm like, oh my gosh, she's there, diba? And like for me, it's like, okay, maybe this isn't for me now, because like, you know, I've been trying this for so long, and like I haven't exploded, or maybe like I'm just not doing something that's right for the crowd here. Maybe it's just a matter of taste na I don't really want to adjust for that. I want to make what I want to make, type of thing, I guess. But like she's just so amazing, and like the air she gives out is just galing, super galing.
Meron bang advice na binigay sa'yo si Janine?
No naman. Pero somebody who did give me advice, because I performed at a benefit concert in 12 Monkeys one time, and Rico Blanco was one of the performers. And we actually switched. I was supposed to be the opening act for all of the performers for the benefit concert.
Okay.
But Rico actually had to
Leave early.
he had to leave early because he had like a visa appointment the next morning. So I was last, and we were worried that nobody would stay because I would be last and nobody knew who I was, because there was also Itchy Worms and all of these other, and I finished my set. Everybody stayed, buti na lang. And then Rico came in, and I'm like, I thought you left.
Talaga?
Yeah, he's like, yeah, I wanted to stay because he actually knew my mom, Danny.
Okay.
Yeah, he's like, oh, I heard Danny's kid is performing, so I stayed.
Oh.
And then I told him that, well, yeah, Archie was thinking of stopping na for a bit, but then like, I want to perform, I want to be on stage. So sabi niya, yeah, just write the songs, write a stupid song. It doesn't matter, just write the songs. Yeah, and that's what kept me going. And I've been writing some songs, and they're stupid songs. They're very stupid songs. Songs to my ex, songs about traffic, ganun. Yeah, so that kept me going.
Ang ganda kasi parang sa field din namin,
Yeah.
pag may nagtatanong din sa amin na newcomer, ang lagi lang namin sinasabi, sulat ka lang.
Yeah.
Sulat ka lang, sampa ka lang, sulat ka lang ng jokes.
But it's true.
Oh.
Like, it keeps you going. And he also did say, there will always be somebody better than you out there. So, yeah, that really helped me also. That gave me the extra push that I needed. And that was just last year. So, around this time last year. Yeah.
Alam mo, ang natutunan ko rin,
Mm.
na para hindi mo makita makompare yung sarili mo sa iba. Kasi, totoo naman may mga darating na mas magaling sa'yo. And, hindi ibig sabihin na mas magaling sila sa'yo, hindi ka magaling.
Yes.
Ibig sabihin,
That's true.
hindi ko nga tinatanggap yung mas magaling. Hindi ko nga tinatanggap yung mas magaling. Ibig sabihin lang, baka magkaiba kayo. Magkaiba kayo. So, ang nagiging mindset ko na ngayon, kailangan mo lang malaman kung anong parte mo sa mundong to.
Yes.
Kung anong
Wow,
purpose mo.
deep.
Yes. Kailangan mo lang malaman kung saan ka lulugar. Ikaw ba, dito ka ba sa pagiging kupal na comedian? Hindi mo kailangan sabayan yung ibang comedian sa ginagawa nila kasi meron kang sarili. Kung ikaw, artist ka, singer ka, composer, hindi mo kailangan sumabay na kailangan ko ba gumawa ng 8-8? Kailangan ko ba gumawa ng kantang katulad
Katulad
ng mga...
ng isa niya.
Oo, di ba? Parang gawin, mas maging authentic ka lang and mas ipakita mo lang kung ano yung sino ka, and then yung mga tao na yung susunod
Actually.
Kasi ang hirap kapag may hinahabol ka,
Oo.
kasi hindi mo siya talaga makahabol
Tsaka kino-compare mo. Kasi minsan, pag kino-compare mo yung sarili mo, minsan papasok ka dun sa linya kung saan mo kino-compare yung sarili mo
Yeah.
And dumarating ka dun na hindi mo pala 40 yun So magmumukha kang hindi better dun sa ginagawa mo. So kung tama yung sinasabi ni James na hindi siya mas magaling Kung mahanap mo yung tamang way na sa'yo, mag-shine ka dun ng hindi pilit.
Yes.
No, lalabas talaga yung sarili mong potential pag nandun ka talaga sa medium mo.
Sa as an artist, kailangan mo lang makita kung ano yung unique voice mo And then, yung mga tao na makaka-relate sa'yo, yun yung iti-treasure mo.
Yes.
Ikaw ba,
Agree.
nakita mo na ba yung unique voice mo o exploring ka pa rin?
No, I think I found it. I found it already. And you will hear it in the song.
Kung i-describe mo
Mm.
in a few sentence, kung ano ka as an artist, ano ka?
Ano ka? Ano ka?
Oo.
Ano ka?
Ano ka?
Ano ka sa likod yan?
Sino si Mix Phoenix sa likod na
Nang Vinfast.
Binpas.
sa likod ng kotse?
That's hard to explain. But I would describe my music as neo blues. So I have a low voice. So I like to sing like jazzy, bluesy songs. There's like a darker tone to it, I think. But yeah, I think that's the best way. But it's still has a groove to it. Yeah.
May
still music.
artist sa international artist na kino-compare sa'yo or parang si ano ka? Parang
Madami actually. Recently, I've been getting Michelle Branch, but it's kind of far. The sound is
kamukha mo
very...
lang.
Siguro yung outfits
Oo.
ko, ganun. I've also been getting Nora Jones. What was
Yung
I've been
pinakinggan ko yung kanta mo yung language.
getting?
Para siyang tunog international.
Oh, thank you.
And
Thank you.
kala ko si Chappelle Roan ang
Wow,
ang
thank you.
pinakikinggan ko eh.
Thank you.
So parang ganung vibe yung
Hmm.
yung music na yun. For that song.
Mhm.
So ano ba siya? Ano yun? Compliment ba kapag sinabi tunog international?
Because I guess it's only a compliment to me because it makes me feel like I fit somewhere.
Mm.
Gets ba? I mean, if
Tama.
somebody were to tell me na tunog Pinoy, I would still take that as a compliment because like I feel like, okay, I know where I'm going with this or what direction I'm gonna go with this. Siguro.
Meron ka bang tinatarget?
If somebody said tunog basura, then I think it's like a different.
International basura.
Parang yung sa Sesame Street yung
Oh.
nagsasalitang basura.
Oscar the Grouch?
Op, slow down muna. Relax at makipagtawanan. Trip mo ba yung ganitong road trip at good vibes? Tara na sa VinFast para ma-test drive nyo ang hottest EVs in town tulad ni Nonong at James. Visit www.vinfastauto.ph. That's vinfastauto.ph for more info and follow VinFast on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media platforms.
Paano mo na-discover na ito yung genre para sa'yo?
Marami ka bang titry na iba bago mo
Oo.
na-determine?
I guess. I've listened to a lot of John Mayer, Incubus, that sort of sound. Dave Matthews also. So there's like a lot of strumming actually in how I play. But yeah, mostly that. I think it's really the darker tones that I like
Favorite song?
in general.
Mm.
Change the World, Eric Clapton.
Oh.
Ganda yan.
Bakit?
Paano yun? Paano yun?
Saba.
It's gonna make a change.
No, that's Michael Jackson.
Inawat ka niya eh! Inawat ka niya!
Binaboy ko yung favorite song niya. eh, no?
Inawat ka. Hindi, pasample na natin kay pasample natin kay Miss.
Change the world. Sorry, my throat's a bit.
Okay lang.
Sige lang. Oh.
I will be the sunlight in your universe. Do you think my love was really something good? Baby, if I could change the world.
Uy,
Mash up.
sakto yung boses ni Mix parang speaker ng VinFast ha.
Oo,
Oh.
ngayon. So, okay lang ba
Yeah.
may segment tayo ngayon
Oo.
na eto mas maayos na, promise namin. Hindi nasasakit ang ulo nyo dito. Dito sa segment na to.
Oo.
Second time na namin gagawin. Pero, eto, try natin yung meron kaming playlist dito, Mix,
Okay.
Oo.
na titingnan natin kung gaano kahilig sa music. So, magpe-play lang kami ng 5 seconds. And then, pwede, ituloy mo kung
quiz.
nare-recognize mo yung kanta.
Okay.
Kasi nung huling ginawa namin to, kasama namin si Queen Yasmin,
Oo.
Mm.
yung thermostat ng aircon bumaba.
Uminit eh.
Uminit.
Uminit eh. Nag-road rage kami nung So, eto. First song. Ready ka na?
Ready.
Eto, dahil si Queen Yasmin ang nagpasimula nito,
Oo.
ito ang segment natin tatawagin na Singing Inside the Car.
Wow.
Oh.
I love the creativity.
Yes.
Eto, first song.
Don't read your mind. Think about your dumb face.
I know this song, but I don't know the title.
Oh.
It's Halsey, no?
Hindi rin.
Oh, it's not. Who is it?
Si Bayani Agbayani. Si Gracie Abrams.
Gracie Abrams.
Eto. So, hindi mo alam yung kasunod?
Oh, there's another Green GSM.
Read your mind. Think about your dumb face all the time.
Ocho. Ito, next song naman tayo. Next song.
next
Ito.
song.
Baka ito mas...
These are TikTok songs, aren't they? Do you know these songs?
Ha? Matanda na kami para dito sa mga kantang to.
Actually, it's not our jam.
You're still here next to me. What a great... I don't remember the lyrics.
Sabrina Carpenter. Diba?
That's true. You just haven't taste me when
As
he's
you
kissing you.
see.
I know the lyrics. I don't know the title.
Taste.
Taste. Oh,
May
sorry.
Sabrina
Oh, wow.
Carpenter.
Bago yan sa pandinig ko
Etong si Sabrina Carpenter, parang matagal na siyang... Ngayon lang ba siya pumutok?
Yeah, but
Diba?
she's been around a while.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang doon ka
One
pa
of those.
nakakuha ng inspiration sa kanya.
Mm.
Kasi parang
I should. Yeah.
para sa mga struggling artists na
Yeah.
mayroon ka pa rin panahon eh.
Yes.
Di ba?
Agree. But I think it's also because she did a really good rebranding. Marketing din siya. Kasi
So,
dati, diba, parang, you don't know what she looked like before, but all of a sudden, femininely, hyper-feminine yung outfits
Di ba
nila.
ang background mo is art management?
Yes.
Anong pinag-aaralan mo?
Management.
So, kasama ba doon yung marketing ng art?
Yeah, kind of. A little bit.
Okay.
Pero, lalo na yung mga productions.
Mm.
Din. So, I also worked in CCP for a bit, actually. So, I know the area you guys were talking about earlier, where your studio is.
Okay.
But yeah, events management for arts-related stuff and all of that. Yeah.
So,
So,
if
production.
ever, kung kunyari, meron ka bang in-apply na branding sa image mo or
Yeah. Kind of. Yeah. It's just...
anong klaseng
I think I would define my branding as just literally just me being me.
laid back? Laid back ba?
Late, I guess. I like being transparent. I think that's like the best type of branding. Because like if you're branding yourself, it's like just go with who you are anyway. So what you guys see in the videos or my content, that's me. That's just me being me. And I'm proud to say that because like I think I have a good personality. If you don't think I'm pretty, at least I have that. So
Oo naman. Actually, hindi naman sa yung producer namin kanina, medyo natatakot sa'yo kanina eh.
bakit?
Kasi shy type ka raw. Ganyan.
Oh,
Kayo na bahala sa kanya.
nantok kasi ako.
ibinilin ka niya parang magulang mo siya.
Bagong gising kasi ako kanina. Tsaka medyo yung throat ko. So medyo down yung immune
Pero nung
system.
nakausap ka na namin during lunch, ano naman eh, light.
Oo.
Kumbaga,
Thank you.
hindi ka snub or parang,
Dapat ba maging snob ako?
ha?
Wag na, malapit
Wag
na rin
na.
tayo matapos eh.
Ngayon mo pa inaisipang gawin yan.
Wag.
Eto,
May
next,
few songs pa.
next song.
Talk to me, talk to me.
Be the man that I need, baby.
Talk to me, talk to me.
Do I have to sing the next lyrics or can I just sing the chorus?
Okay lang, sige.
Sige.
Ano ba yung chorus? Oh my gosh, how does it go? Already know I'm really alone. Don't be shy. Come be the man I need. You got something that I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Be the man I need.
Wow.
Man I need, Olivia.
Ibang klase pala kapag ang kasama natin sa kotse ay
Di.
marunong talaga kumanta. Hindi siya
Ayos,
masakit sa ulo.
ayos eh, no?
Oo, okay pala, no?
Ano eh, nung huling experience kasi namin talagang it's hard.
Pero
What
I love you,
happened?
Queen Nessie.
Oh, we love you,
We
Queen.
love you.
Ay, ikaw ang aming queen, alam mo yan.
Eto, nabanggit mo kanina to. Laksan mo, parinig mo yung speaker ng ano.
Oh yeah, this is. Oh my gosh, what's the title? Oh my gosh, this is Janine, isn't it?
Yes.
Far out. What's the title of the song?
Janine Desenderio.
Hindi.
Wala.
Si E.G. Worms ang kumanta, no? Di na
muli.
Di na muli.
Ang
Ang galing.
Lamig, ah.
Oo. Iba pa ba si Janine kay Janine Berdin?
Yes.
Iba.
Oh, yeah. Ito naman kay...
Ano ba ang tawag sa di ko na syota? Pero kaya ka
Ano ba
Ah!
tawag dyan? Ano ba tawag dyan?
Pa-transform ka na.
Situationship. Huwag na nga to. Huwag na tayo. Mas maganda yung conversation natin. Papunta na sa deep eh. Kanina na-appreciate ko na yung mga thoughts natin eh. May mga may mga pa-religion versus art ka pang nalalaman.
Hindi, di ba? Parang nagbanggaan eh. Nagbabanggaan.
Totoo, ang ganda nga nung take ko doon.
Oh. Pero kung gusto nyo pang marinig si Mix na kumanta, i-follow nyo yung Spotify nyo.
O, saan ba i-follow ang Spotify mo? Anong pangalan?
Mix Fenix.
Mix.
MIXFENIX.
Yan. And abangan nyo yung Take Me Home. Excited ako dyan na
November
marinig yung-
10.
Pagka nagpe-perform ka ba, sabi nila, sabi mo sa isang research, nagtatransform ka kapag nagpe-perform.
I would say it feels different.
May pangil na siya.
Hindi ganun. Anong
When-
klaseng transformation ang...
It feels like I don't know. When I'm on stage, I feel like that's where I'm meant to be. So I think that's like who I really am on stage is the version of me on stage. Yun yung ano.
Tapos, syempre,
That's
pag...
me. This is real. This is me.
Si ano yun, di ba? Michelle Branch.
Supposed to be
Ay, sino kumanta nun?
at the light. No, that's Demi Lovato.
Oh, si Demi, di ba?
Umasang-ayon ka na lang.
Oo,
eh.
syempre.
Pagka ganun klaseng performance, lahat, walang maliit, walang malaking crowd. Same level of
It's the same.
energy.
Yeah.
Pinakamalaking crowd na napag-performan.
I think it was in Dipolog. I performed for a provincial show. I don't remember how many there were, but like it was like a whole gymnasium.
Wow.
Yeah. And I sang Adele. Thank God for my lola for telling me to sing Adele all the time.
Anong kanta ni Adele?
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. And everybody started singing. I was like, whoa.
Wow.
Chills. Tapos yun na yung goal ko.
Mm.
Yun na yung goal ko sa life.
Yung alam
Mapakanta.
ng
Ng crowd.
1,000 tao.
Na hindi na ako kailangan kumanta.
Oo.
Sila na yung kakanta.
So, sila lang yung binayaran. Eh.
Nag-concert ka pa!
Hoy, kanta din!
Laging binibigay yung mic sa gano'n, no?
I have a question for you guys. As comedians, what is like the most challenging thing that you have to face on stage? Na it doesn't have to always happen. Pero like sometimes, I guess may mga hecklers, ganon, or like tough crowd, ganon. So like, what would you describe as like the hard or the challenges, and like how do you overcome that? Because like that has a lot to do with kaba also. Diba? Obviously, people are worried na, oh my gosh, somebody might not like my jokes, baka may ma-offend.
Ako sa akin, ang pinaka-challenging talaga, okay na yung hecklers eh, kaya mong i-handle yan eh. Kaya mo ibalik lang sa kanya yung kung ano yung sasabihin niyang insulto sa'yo. Kaya mo ibalik yun as a comedian, as a seasoned comedian.
Just say it to my face, ganun.
Oo, then kung ano yung sabihin niya, mabilis ka makakaisip ng pambalik sa kanya. And then, ma-win back mo yung audience. Ang pinakamahirap para sa akin is yung mga hindi nakikinig. Yung gagawin kang background, kunyari sa corporate gig.
Yeah.
Office Christmas party.
Yes.
Tapos pagpe-performing ka habang nag-iinuman na yung the rest of the crowd. Tapos ikaw nandun ka, pipilitin kang mag-stand-up comedy. So, walang maglalan talagang joke kasi hindi naman nakikinig eh.
Yeah.
So, hindi ka nandun sa natural habitat mo na
Oo nga.
Okay lang kung tough crowd kasi at least nakikinig eh.
Mhm.
Nakikinig ng ganyan. Pwede mo pa siyang, pwede ka pang i-tweak sa sarili mo. Pero yung hindi na nakikinig na meron na silang sariling mundo. Ibig sabihin nun, walang problema na sa'yo. Walang problema sa'yo, may problema doon sa setup. So, mahirap yun kasi hindi mo na siya ma-win back. Kasi yung tough crowd, pwede mo pang ma-win back. Yung non-listening crowd, hindi mo na ma-win back.
Oh, imagine. Because if it's a tough crowd for musicians, I don't mind. I personally don't mind just being the background music and then I'll change it up a little bit. Para magiging background music and they enjoy their time pa. Pero pag comedian kasi, you're saying something eh.
Oo.
Na has to be listened to for people to enjoy.
Kailangan
Yeah.
kailangan mo ma-digest yun para maging nakakatawa eh.
Oo nga. Tama. Tapos minsan may 360 na jokes pa na, meron ba yun?
Oh, meron
Like
kayo
you say-
call back.
parang may inside joke kayo from the beginning and then you bring it back to the
Oo.
end.
So, pag hindi mag-work yun, kung hindi mo naman napakinggan yung sinabi ko yun.
Sa akin naman, ngayon, isa sa mga nahirapan ako is mag-market nung sarili ko. Ngayon.
So,
So,
outside of the stage, ganun.
So, parang yung ano naman, yung pagma-market ng show.
Mhm.
Kasi kasama rin naman yan sa
Trabaho.
sa trabaho. Kasi syempre hindi lang after yung nagsusulat ka ng material o nag-open mic ka. So parang paano mo hikayatin yung mga tao na tara manood ka. Baka manood ka sa akin tapos tignan natin kung masulit natin yung pera mo, parang ganun. Ang hirap din na mamilit. Ako ayoko nang mamimilit na mamilit na manood sa akin. So hanggang ngayon medyo dinadagdagan ko lang yung patience ko. Na someday naman actually hindi naman din yung at least zero walang nanonood. Meron pa rin nanonood. Pero syempre maganda pa rin yung darating ka doon maraming iba pa rin
Sold
yung
out pa.
iba pa rin yung maso-sold out na siya. Pero kasama yun sa journey. Ang ganda kasi nung yung pag-trust mo dun sa process ng struggling artist. Hindi siya mawawala talagang kasama to kasama siya sa biyahe mo para mas maging mature ka someday. Kung paano mo rin atakihin kung paano mo rin i-manage yung sarili mong career, di ba? Syempre, nandun ka rin sa ayaw mo rin umasa sa iba. Kailangan ito tinututukan mo rin siya. Parang gano'n.
Tama.
Amen.
Actually, marketing nga.
Oo, yung marketing, isa sa mga pinakamahirap yan
Ikaw ba ganun? Mas hirap ka din, mas struggle ka doon sa
It happens, yeah. Because like, I guess a lot of the people who watch my videos are introverts and they kind of don't want to go out also. Yeah. But it's nice like if I post like a cover, people are supporting it. Because like they still want to hear me sing, it's just they don't want to go out. Traffic eh. Kami ng traffic.
Yun, di ba? Yung parang paano mo sila ikayatin na tumayo ka dyan?
Yeah.
Panoorin mo, dali.
Konsensyahin niyo sila. Konsensyahin mo. Pag hindi kayo nanood, mag-quit mo to.
Grabe, oh my God.
ano na to? Blackmailing na.
Lumabas kayo! Lumabas kayo sa mga bahay niyo.
Oo, kasi kailangan namin kayo para mas gumulong pa ang gas para magpatuloy pa kami sa journey namin.
Oo, kasi minsan, hindi naman minsan, talagang madalas, ang art talagang kailangan bayaran din yan.
Oo, totoo naman.
Minsan kasi, for exposure lang ang ang babayad sa'yo. Okay lang, perform ka dito. Pero syempre, kailangan mo din yun.
Totoo.
Kasi good exposure, kailangan mo. Salamat nga pala, Mix, na pumayag ka dito kahit walang bayad to.
It's okay. I accept X deal.
Sa'yo na to.
Oo.
Sa'yo na to. Sa'yo na.
Ikaw na mag-drive itong Binfast.
Sana ganun lang kadali, no?
Oo. Yun, so follow
Bigyan ng
nyo.
kotse!
Bigyan natin ng mag-support po kayo sa mga artist, mga baguhang artist. Walang mawawala sa inyo kung magdi-discover kayo ng upcoming and rising stars ngayon ng OPM industry. So mas maraming dumadagdag sa lineup natin ng mga OPM singers and artists. Mas lumalawak and mas nagiging diverse yung ating community and yung OPM industry natin. So,
May,
wag lang yung puro mainstream. Discover kayo ng mga ito, katulad nito ni Mix Phoenix.
thank you.
So, sa socials, paano kanila mako-follow? Instagram?
At Mix Phoenix.
At Mix Phoenix. And also, TikTok.
Mabuhay Mix. Kasi taken na pala yung Mix Phoenix sa TikTok.
Ha? Sino yun?
Sino ka?
Sino ka? Ibalik mo! Para hindi niya nagamitin ng Mix Phoenix 1889945.
May kasamang OTP, no?
Yun. Maraming salamat,
Thanks,
Mix.
guys. This was fun.
Mix, kaya Mix,
Makakababa ka na.
Sa gitna ng EDSA mo binaba.
Tumingin siya talaga eh.
Ano ka bababa dito? Follow nyo si Mix Phoenix and abangan nyo rin, invite natin si Mix sa Cool Pals next year for live performance para marinig nyo naman yung mga songs niya.
Kaya sana lagi niyong supportan at malay nyo naman makapag season 100 na tayo. Aba, kala mo naman.
Oo, please, para maiwan na namin ang Cool Pals. Iniiwan.
Hindi na nakinig no? Pero yun, sa lahat, thank you. Ang dami ng nakikinig, nanonood. Thank you sa inyo.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Sulit ang kulitan, bitin sa tawanan. Catch the latest episodes on YouTube, Spotify, or wherever you listen to podcasts. Dito lang sa Fast Lane with VinFast.